Out for a nightly ride on the overpass. It's pretty cool. Let's get it. Right out here in the Lost Gold Mine Trail in Superstition's Hot Mountains. Hiked about 2 miles to come see a little waterfall, and now we're headed back down. A little bit of a late start today. Laid around in bed for an extra couple minutes. They did put these pretty sweet flags out. Little Arizona flag. But I hope everybody's out walking today, drinking their water. And have a great day. A beautiful day to be outside in downtown Mesa, Arizona. Are you outside today? If not, you should be. All right, out getting this walk on today. Been out here for about an hour and 20 already. Didn't have my phone, I was letting it charge up because it was on 20%. So I won't get my points on my apps today. Fruit spot for the day, had to get berry banana blend. They didn't have mixed berry for the third time now. Come on, Dollar Tree, step your game up. Want to go check out a new thrift store called DI. Smoothie time. Playing some disc golf after a day of doing other things. Smoothie was tasty. Found a pair of pants for $2. When we went out to Scottsdale to play some disc golf out there, my buddy Jimmy, that I'm out here kind of hanging with a little bit in Arizona, he threw my champion beast in the pond. He did find a heat in the replacement, but I wasn't a huge fan of it, so we went to the pro shop right next door, and I picked up the new Paul Macbeth Undertaker first run. And he's like, "You already have Undertaker." I said, "Yeah, but I want this." And there's absolutely nobody out here. Well, it was a solid drive, by the way. There's absolutely nobody out here. There's 2 people up there and the guy behind me. Alright, just like that. Want to get that one back as a solid throw. I should be able to get this in too. But a funny story for you. My buddy, I was talking about, Jimmy, he had a lady come over, kind of tidy his house up a little bit. And he has one of those Roombas, you know, one of those self, cleaning vacuums. And she said she didn't trust them because they map out your house and tell the government where your furniture and all that jazz is located. So, just be warned about that if you have a Roomba it will tell the government where your furniture is, so when they break in to get you, they know what window to come in, what to jump over, and all that. Way much on here. But back in March, I decided to, you know, kind of focus on my health a little bit, get a little leaner, much leaner. Had a little gut ski on me that I've had for a while. So back in March, I was at 266, wearing a size 44 pant. And fast forward to today, and last time I weighed myself, I was at 201, wearing a 38, and I think I can get into a 36. So that's really cool. Hoping to break that 200-pound mark here soon.